foot and mouth disease fragments detected in meat imported to Australia. FMD fragments found in imported meat in Melbourne. Announcing the introduction of citric foot mats at airports, Australia's Agriculture Minister Murray Watt said biosecurity authorities had recently discovered viral fragments of FMD and African swine fever in pork products using routine retail surveillance exercises. We have detected FMD and African swine fever viral fragments in a small number of pork products for sale in the Melbourne CBD that were imported from China, Mr. Watt said. In addition, several other pork products for retail sale have tested positive for African swine fever viral fragments. I'm advised that all products now of this kind have been seized from all linked supermarkets and a warehouse in Melbourne as well, he said. It is not the first time that. It is unclear if it is the first time that meat products have been seized from a supermarket or retail outlet following detection of FMD or African swine fever fragments. It is also unclear how frequently biosecurity officials undertake surveillance beyond Australia's. Mr. Watt says the fragments, which are not the same as the live virus, do not pose a threat to human health, and that Australia remains free from FMD and African swine fever. We have always said that animal product imports are actually the biggest risk of FMD entering our country. There is a risk that it can be brought back in by a traveler on their shoes, but the advice I've received is that the biggest risk is actually the importation of animal products, he said. Mr. Watt said biosecurity officials discovered a passenger recently traveling from Indonesia to Australia who was intercepted with a beef product that they didn't declare, which tested positive for FMD viral fragments. Mr. Watt said the disturbing discovery showed that biosecurity measures are working. A statement from the Department of Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry later clarified the fragments had been detected in